Today, you will learn how to get rid of red underline in Word. The easiest way to remove a red underline is to correct the word that Word believes is misspelled. Simply right-click on the word with the red underline. A small menu will appear showing suggested corrections at the top. If one of the suggestions is correct, click on it. As soon as you select the correct spelling, the red underline disappears automatically. This method works great when you only have a few spelling mistakes. However, if your document contains many red underlines, fixing them one by one can take some time. That's why Microsoft Word provides several other options that can help. If you know the word is correct, but Word is marking it as a mistake, you can tell Word to ignore it. Just right-click on the underlined word and select Ignore All. Word will remove the red underline and ignore every occurrence of that same word throughout the document. This is especially useful for names, technical terms, abbreviations, or words that Word doesn't recognize. Another useful option is Add to Dictionary. If you're using a word that is spelled correctly but isn't included in Word's dictionary, you can add it permanently. Right-click the word and select Add to Dictionary. Once you do this, Word will remember the word in future documents and won't mark it as a spelling error again. If you want to review all spelling and grammar issues in one place, Word has a built-in spelling checker. Go to the Review tab at the top of the screen and click on Spelling and Grammar. A panel will open on the side showing all detected mistakes along with suggested corrections. You can choose to change the word, ignore it once, ignore all instances, or add it to the dictionary. This is a great way to check your entire document before printing, sharing, or submitting it. Now let's talk about another common reason for red underlines. Sometimes Word is set to the wrong language. For example, if Word is using English proofing tools, but you're writing in Spanish, French, Hindi, or another language, Word may place red underlines under almost every word in the document. To fix this, click on File, then select Options. In the Word Options window, click Language. Under Office Authoring Languages and Proofing, click Add Language. Find the language you want to use, select it, and click Add. After the language is added, select it and choose Set as Preferred. Click OK to save your changes. Word may ask you to restart the application for the changes to take effect. Close and reopen Word if necessary. If Word still doesn't recognize the correct language, look at the language indicator near the bottom of the Word window. Click on it, choose the language you are writing in, and then click OK. After changing the language settings, Word should only underline actual spelling mistakes instead of marking almost every word. If you're working on a document and simply don't want to see any red underlines at all, you can turn off spell checking completely. To do this, click File, then Options, and select Proofing. Under the section called When Correcting Spelling and Grammar in Word, you'll see several checkboxes. Uncheck Check Spelling as you type, uncheck Mark Grammar Errors as you type, and if you want, uncheck Check Grammar with Spelling as well. Click OK, and the red underlines will disappear. There's also an option if you want to hide spelling and grammar errors only for the current document. In the same Proofing Settings window, scroll down and check Hide Spelling Errors in this document only and Hide Grammar Errors in this document only. This allows you to keep spell checking enabled for other documents while hiding the red and blue underlines in the current file. If you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.